Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. Have another awesome video request. How to comment, uncomment, and I thought also about adding how to restart the shell. So if you get stuck and you have some crazy operation that you have an endless iterator being created and you just can't get it to stop. So all right, let's just say we have for I in range 10 and we close this out and then we just print out I. So all right, well, first off, thanks for joining us here, and this is what we do on this channel if you're new and haven't subscribed. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. We have videos coming out all the time, and we do micro videos. One topic, maybe two, but no more. And we have these be searchable, so when you get done, you can revisit it and you know where it is. And also have a video coming out in a couple days on kind of relaying out the channel. That was also another suggestion. So all right, let's just go through this. So we run this, la-di-da-da-da, we get 10 numbers coming out, right? So now we're done and we want to, or we did something and we don't want this code here anymore. So all right, the way that this works is it doesn't have to be, you don't have to highlight all of it. Just have the 2 lines or as many lines as you want commented. And you can do this the long way or the short way. So comment out region, you hit there, this happens. And then you uncomment with this one. And the question was, what's the shortcut? So I highlighted, press Alt +3 and there, then Alt +4 and go back and forth. So now let's say you have your iterator and it is just sitting here running. Let's do this. So this is just going and it's sitting there. Let's see if I can do it. So you click on over in the shell, it pauses and you need to go to restart shell, or guess what? Control F6. It ceases everything, dumps memory, restarts the shell, goes back. So gives you a chance so you don't fill up your memory and get the memory error or have anything catastrophic happen. But what I tell everybody is you have to go out of your way to really get Python to crash, because that's what this is. It's a program to help you build programs. So it has catches upon catches upon catches. So the developers have done an amazing job. So those are our topics for the day. Just some quick tips and tricks for commenting, uncommenting, and restarting. And restart is Control F6, and comment and uncomment. And maybe we'll touch next time on indent and dedent. But the question was comment and uncomment, Alt 3 and Alt 4. And if you look, you can continue and keep going. So Python does not care, it just adds a layer. So if I wanted to come and do that, which I need that commented, so I do that, and then I want these commented as well, it will just add layers upon layers. So all right, there we go. This is the type of video you like. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up for me. And again, if you've not subscribed, let's make sure we're doing that and hitting that notification bell. We have videos like this coming out all the time. Going to be building on everything else that we've done before. That's the other thing that we do. We just slowly add one more thing, because I think next couple of videos we'll be working more with our class object and going forward from there. So we're adding one more thing to it, at least right now, and we'll knock it out. So as always, thanks for watching, stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.